Hey there YouTubers, time for another video. Getting the van ready for a trip. Not to the UP, but I gotta get ready for a trip. Before I wash it, which I'm gonna do real quick, a quick wash, cause you know, I gotta show you something again in the back. Hold on. That is my air conditioner unit. And again, I can see that birds have built a nest. And they did it a couple years ago and it really messed everything up, so I gotta get it out. GoPro stopper. Okay, I got there's screws on each side. I got those off. I gotta take this cover off. And it is really old brittle, so I have to be careful. And you can see it's cracked here. I've taped it up a bunch. Hopefully it can hold on a little bit. I have a cover that I'm gonna put on this afterwards, but it blows off and I'm being gone for 5 months. I didn't leave it there, you know. But I messed up, but I'm gonna put it back on after this. So let me get this thing off. Go. Okay, I'm getting ready to take it off. Nice shadow. It's warm today. I really hope there's no baby birds in it, because when this happened last time, I found them when I was up in the UP, and they had died, and I found them because the stink. Oh, it was all just really disgusting. So hopefully there's no baby birds, because I don't want to kill them, but they can't live here. All right, let me try to get this thing off. Go. Oh, shit, there's little baby birds and they're alive. There you can see them. I gotta try to get them out. Dang it. Go. I'm so sorry, guys. First, I gotta get down without falling, but I hope you survive all this. Dang it. I hate killing things. That's why I don't eat meat anymore. GoPro, stop recording. Okay, I don't know much about birds. I got this for mushrooms. I'm gonna try to put the nest in there. I put gloves on because I heard that if you touch them, then the parents won't even try to save them. So I'm making an effort here to not kill these guys. Let's see, GoPro, stop recording. Okay, one flew out. It's down there on the back of the driveway. This one's still in here. Okay. Oh shoot, there were 3 at least. The mom's back. Gotta get him out of here. Now the mom's probably all mad. Again, you gotta pick a better place. Okay, I got one of them. I found one of them. There was 2 more. Mother probably gonna come peck my eyes out. Let's see if I can find the other 2 still. They moved quick for not being able to really fly. Hope you survive, buddy. All right, there's one under the van. See, it's scared under there. If you be cool, I'll try to help you, okay? All right. I just wanted to wash my damn van, guys. I got you. I got you. That's 2 of them up there. They're probably only a couple days away from surviving. Hopefully they can survive. Okay, I found 2 out of 3 of them. Couldn't find the other one. Hope you guys make it. Now I gotta get back to finishing this up. It only took a few minutes. I'm like, it's wasting my time. It's a few minutes. Birds live not a very long time, so. But, yeah, you do what you can. All right. Now I gotta clean this out. If I'd remember to do what I'm gonna do at the end of this wouldn't have all happened. But this is the 2nd time, so I don't know if they're the same birds or what, but let me clean this out. GoPro. All right, we're crooked. This is the other side because I cleaned a lot of that up. I got nests on both sides. That one looks empty though. Jesus. Come on, guys. There's trees everywhere. GoPro stuff. All right. Shop vac. All right. There's all kinds of stuff in here. All kinds of stuff in there. Not a place to make a home. Jeez. GoPro. Alright, I think I got it all clean. That helped. It was just supposed to be a quick job. GoPro stopped recording. Okay, now the goal is to see if I can put this back together without breaking it any worse. Duct tape.
Another important part, try not to fall off your RV roof.
I really need a new cover. They're only 100 or 200 bucks. I should really do it. But
It's a guy thing, but duct tape fixes everything. Yeah, duct tape. Lots and lots of duct tape. Lining these things up isn't hard, but it can be a little tricky.
alright, we're gonna put this tarp back on and use those noodles to keep it in place up there. And it's only going to be up there for a little bit, but I don't want them getting back up there. They jumped down. I put them back up a couple times. Let's go see how they're doing in that tree. Oh, they're there. I think they might survive. We'll see. If any of them are down here. One was standing on the base of the tree before.
I cut this to fit and it works really well. I was just gone so long I didn't put it up, but it'll help protect your van or RV.
Okay. I tried a couple different ways. This seems to work.
If you see those little strips, that's Velcro. That didn't work very well.
That keeps water from getting in there, pooling, and even getting through the air conditioner. And hopefully it will keep these friggin' birds out so I don't have to keep killing them. They don't cooperate. Okay, now I'm gonna wrap it up in the back. Okay, that's it. I'm going for an oil change soon because I'm lazy. Instead of adding more oil sitting in buckets in my garage, I pay somebody to do it. All right, hopefully again, they stay out of there. GoPro, stop recording. Okay, it's a little bit later. The AC thing is fixed and I'm gonna wash this side of it. Already did the other.
When a van's 24 years old, it takes a lot of effort to keep it clean, but it's good to do preventative stuff like this.
Okay, you get the idea. Plus I need the ladder to do the high part, so.
Hope you enjoyed. Have a great and wonderful day.